The website X dash no, that's not X shit.
Happy Halloween!
Hey, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode from Ask Ash. My name is Ash. So, I've been using a new security kit for a while, sent to us specially from XSense, and I've been using this for at least a week. And here are my thoughts. Setting up the system itself isn't that big of a deal. You just download the XSense app on the Play Store or iTunes Store, whatever device you're using. Use an email address to register, and then start adding all the devices. First things first, you have to add the base station. The base station before you can add the entry or the motion sensors or even the remote. So you add the base station, you scan the barcode, you give it a name, and then you start adding one by one the entry systems. For my personal use, I do find the 5-piece kit to be pretty small. On the website I see that you can also go for the 8-piece kit. If that's true, let me check it out. Home system security. Okay. Oh, they have a great sale going on for the 8-piece kit. 25% discount limited offer. Yeah, so I got a 5-piece kit, but you can also buy the 8-piece kit depending on how many motion and how many entry sensors you need. But I did notice on their website that you cannot upgrade the system that you already bought. For example, if I have the 5-piece kit, but I feel that I need another motion sensor, I need a few more entry sensors. I feel that I'm a bit limited towards that. I don't know if that's true. I'll need to contact them just to find out. But just browsing through their website, I couldn't find expansion kits for your current security kit. So if you guys know if that's possible, just drop it down in the comments just for me to know. But I will send XSense an email about that, whether or not it's upgradable. We got the 5-piece kit from XSense. Visit their website and you can find all the specs regarding the kit there, the range, the motion detection, the endurance of the battery, for example, etc. So we're not going to be reading all those specifications on this video. I did use them for a week, and these are my thoughts for that 1 week. So during the unboxing, for example, I love how they added all all kinds of accessories for you to use. It's the small things that matter, you know. So for example, to mount these entry sensors, you get screws to screw them on, which are basically needed, but they also add double-sided tape. So if you don't want to drill holes into your home, you can use the double-sided tape to mount them on. I used the double-sided tape to mount my motion sensor, and I gotta be honest, the tape is really strong, because usually they added those cheap double-sided tape that after a while just peels off. But I gotta be honest, I love the double-sided tape. You get a nice little sticker that your house is protected by XSense. I love it. Really cool. The house is under protection by XSense. So this, I will be placing this in the front porch of my house. Yeah, the base station is powered by Type C. That's also a nice feature. Micro USB is a bit outdated, and the Type C it just gives you that feel that it's a bit more premium, that it's a newer version. The next thing I love about this system is that using the app, you can adjust all kinds of settings. For example, the base system volume can be adjusted through the app. I had an older model, not by XSense, but another alarm kit that I used a while ago. But the volume was very weak, and the app didn't even have any options. So if you have this product, or if you're thinking about it, download the app, make an account, and just play in the app itself. The app has a lot of features, and it just gives you the feel that XSense really invested in the app. I like that. The remote, yeah, the remote, I have a 50-50 thoughts on the remote. It's nice to have a remote, it's nice that they added into it, but that it's seen as one of the 5-piece in the kit. You basically pay $119.99 for a 5-piece kit, and the remote is counted as one of those 5. I gotta say I don't like that much. Instead of the remote, then to give me the option for at least another motion sensor, because you can't do without the remote. You can just use the app. I love the build of the base station, the LED around it. I placed the base station near my television, and I just love the light, the LED illumination around my TV. My TV already has a LED backlight, and with the base station included, it just gives the house yeah, a smoother feel, a warmer feel. I love the LED. I love the speakers of the base station. As I said, it's pretty loud. You can adjust the volume through your app. I would consider myself to be someone that uses my volume at max. Some would say I have bad hearing, but I just love the volume at max. So it's nice that you can adjust the volume. And that the system, in my opinion, works really great. But I've only been using it for a week, I have to say. I will use it for a longer period of time, and if there are any more updates, downdates, I'll let you guys know. I would like to shout out XSense for providing me with a beautiful 5-piece kit, which I'll be using for quite a while. Because I placed it in my home. I sense that I can trust this product, and I'll be using it for a while. It gives me all kinds of notifications whenever. Oh yeah, one thing more. I have a cat in my house, and I noticed that the alarm kit, the motion sensor, it's sensitive enough to notice that it's an animal, so it doesn't trigger the alarm. But if I'm moving in the house, then it does trigger the alarm. So I don't know if they thought about that, but it's a nice feature that my cat doesn't trigger the alarm. You know, that's also a plus point. But other than that, catch me in the next video. I hope you guys subscribe. I hope you guys like the video. Do subscribe. We need you guys. You know, peace out, love.